Well, after that cocoa powder disaster, I have a much simpler recipe here with me, which is just Greek yogurt, vanilla extract, and frozen mangoes. Oh. Okay, so we all know how easy this is. So let's see how fast I can actually do this for you. Frozen mangoes in, vanilla extract. Let's do 2. Some more Greek yogurt. There we go. That's gonna be really nice, rich, sweet. I can't wait. There we go. Same process as last time. We hit our sauce preset, and then we'll get ready with the tamper. There we go. See the consistency? Oh yeah. Okay. Wow, that looks pretty good. So the reason why you can't do this in a ordinary blender is because the frozen pieces are going to damage the blades. These blades are actually coated in titanium. As well as being stainless steel underneath. So very, very durable. So you can do this over and over and over again. And look at that. Doesn't that look good? Smells pretty good. Let's give this a taste. As you can see, I have the mango ice cream.
Yummy.
It's as simple as it gets, and look at the consistency on that. That's ice cream. Do the old trick. Look at that. Nothing comes out. That's how you know you're done. Wow, that's so simple. I'm running out. I'm running out of things to say again. Speaks for itself.